Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Polymarket, what is Polymarket and how you can use it and how you can use apart from betting because Polymarket is a betting website. So other than betting, how you can use Polymarket, this betting information for your own analysis and how you can do the different trades and everything. So let's jump into it. First of all, let's discuss about Polymarket. Polymarket is a betting website. The link I will share in the description as well, but this is the website link. You can simply go here and you can see a lot of things. It is not just limited to the crypto, but all those information you can just trade on anything, just bet on anything. Sorry, not trade, but you can just bet on anything. So you can literally trade on anything. It is either it's a political events, it is sports, it is crypto, it is geopolitics, it is tech culture, everything. There would be tons of people who would be betting, so you can bet. And here the point you will see the different percentage here, like yes and no. For example, next prime minister would be of the Czech Republic. So there are different like this Andrej Babis. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. So 90%, 99% chances that he is gonna win. So if you will bet on here, so overall how it happens is you have to, let's say when you spend $1, so it is either 50% chances it will go up, 50% go down. That means that if you will, if the market goes against, not the market, if the bet goes, if you win the bet, so you will earn $2. But as soon the time start getting close and the chances of the things start getting clear, so then you will see the jump in one side. For example, now this person, he has a better chance to win, so 99% people are saying that yes. So that means that if you will spend 100, so you will only earn 1.21 dollar here in this bet. But on the other side, if you say if you buy the no one, you think that okay, this person is not going to win, so just $1 will make you win 65.63%. So this is huge. Let's jump into it, and in the end I will show you that how you can actually use this platform to make your own analysis as well. Okay, let's log in. You can log in, by the way, with your own. You can just sign up. You can log in with the email also, but yeah, this is I'm going to log in with the MetaMask. Also, now about the deposit, you can deposit. Okay, we have to enable trading and through signing in by MetaMask, but you can also deposit your cash here through debit card. I will show you that in a bit. Skip for now. Okay, now once we go ahead on the deposit fund, we can either deposit with Master card, with Visa card, or anything, and with the PayPal also. Also, we can transfer the funds through Polygon chain. Here you can just copy the address and you can directly send into the account. That is up to you, and there are different coins, whatever you would like to do. So since I have MetaMask now already linked with it, so I will just go here directly and I will deposit some USDs. Okay, let's go with the $50. So it's on Polygon market, so I'm just using the Polygon one, and it has less fees as well. We have to approve. Okay, we have to confirm the transaction now. Okay, this deposit is successful, and now we can make, so I have the cash now. So what we can do, we can buy here for $1, and also we can sell. So once you have that, for example, if you bought this one, then you can sell it also. I mean, you don't have to wait for the betting period to over. You can do that as well. But if you think that, okay, for example, let's say that about this one, so you thought that okay, this is, you purchased that in the beginning when the market just started about this, and that time the chances were, let's say, 60% of this person winning, and you purchased, let's say, $100. So that time you can directly go here and you can purchase for 100, and then you can sell also before the expiry period as well. I mean, you don't have to go wait till the election. Now you think that okay, now you have like 30% profit in this trade. you can just simply sell your share also. You don't have to wait till the betting period is over or everything. The same goes for the no as well. Now previously it was 99%, now it is 98%. So this can keep increasing and changing. So if, for example, if someone purchased here and now 1% increase the chance, so that might be 100% profit for that person. So they can just simply come here and they can change. For example, let's buy this one with the buy now button. We have to enable trading. Let's sign this one. And now we have to approve the token as well. Okay, let's go here and purchase in this token. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going for the no, just to give a tutorial, although I won't suggest that we should be doing the bet, but it is for the educational purpose. And I'm just thinking that, okay, let's go here and buy now, buying no, confirm. In this case, since the, okay, I have purchased already. Now if I want to, so I purchase, so I can sell it anytime also. So as you can see, I mean, the share price is too low, so minimum should be 60.5, but we can, okay, now I can sell it here as well. So whatever the share price is, if it goes up, so I can sell it. I mean, now I can sell it now also, but I will just hold because it is already a bit down now. The minute I purchase it, started to fell a bit down. So yeah, so the purpose is that you can, now since you purchased it, you can also purchase buy as well on the other hand. But yeah, so you can purchase and then you can sell them as well before the expiry period. For example, if I think that, okay, I spent $1, let's say if I have this, so if it goes up, let's say it increased to 2%, the chances, and it reduced to 98%, so I can just simply sell it. So it will be like I still won like maybe $1 extra. But in this case, if I win now, so in that case I will win $62 because the chances are quite less. And obviously you would be thinking that it should be $99, but not the case, because there would be platform fees and everything. So yeah, that's how the platform is earning. But yeah, overall you can see this is it. Okay, now one more thing, you can obviously withdraw the cash, and that is simple. Just click here and you can just simply withdraw the cash, either it is to your MetaMask wallet or whatever you like. So it will be you can just simply withdraw here. Click here and it will be withdrawn to your account. Well, I don't want to withdraw at the moment, but yeah, that's how you can do it. Now the last question, that how you can predict the future, or how you can use this analysis, this platform for your own analysis. For example, let's take the example of this Czech Republic Prime Minister. Now you can see that, okay, this but Czech Republic is not so much impactful country in the crypto or in forex market. But we can see that, okay, let's say we are dealing in Czech koruna, if you are trading there or in Czech Republic market. So what you can do is you can see what would be policies of this person, what he wants. Either he's liberal, Democrat, what are his policies, what are his economic policies, what will they impact. So what did he promise? So if he promised that he will make the market open for his country, so then you can see that, okay, 99% chances that this person is going, if the market will be open, so that will be a positive news for the economy, for the GDP growth. So that will also stabilize Czech koruna also, which is Czech Republic currency. So this is what can happen. So you can simply predict if this person is going to win. So you can already, so before that happens, now 99% chance, so that means it is clear. So based on his policies, you can start the trade beforehand, and once his announcement, once his election will be announced, their results will be announced, and 99% chances that your trade will be positive based on his promises. You don't have to wait, you can just close immediately as soon the results are announced. So this is how you can predict or make the analysis. Same goes for other, even about the US government shutdown. You can see that what has impacted because of the shutdown, all those things that have gone down. So you would know that if it is happening now after 15th of October, so then it will be a positive news that time. So what it is going to happen on the US dollar, so you can do the trades in USD, Euro USD, or any other pair, or any stock market. So you would know that, okay, this is what is going to happen. So this is how, because these people who are betting, so they have some analysis. So it is far better than all those analysis which is being published on the different news journals or being spread on news channels. So this is way better. This is how you can use it. So there are a lot of things you can go here. You can predict about crypto, and you can see like how many people are here betting against these things. So you can just simply check, and you will see also volume, that how, what is the volume. That can also give you an idea as well. I mean, you have to see that how much volume is involved. For example, in this one, 1 million volume is involved here, 123 million. So sometime it goes up to 1 billion as well. So it depends that how much popular is the news. So you can see 290,000, that's less. 103 million, that's a lot. So there are different type of betting events where you can bet. Okay, this is complete video about Polymarket. I hope you must have learned something new. If you have any question, please drop your comments, and I will be happy to reply them. This is Naim Sajjad signing off. Thank you.